What's good? We out here at BMZ. We're at the temporary location. Got our boy Rogic here with the Corvette. Reyes with the SRT, Hellcat. You already know. About to hit a little ride along real quick, and I'll take you guys with me, see how it is. About to be in the Hellcat. Might even get in the vet, who knows? But stay tuned.
Just going up like crazy.
Oh shit, I missed our turn. Damn. I'm so focused on the street, I missed our fucking turn. Let me turn this picture.
Camaro behind us.
Yeah, I lost his ass.
What's good, everybody? Thanks for tapping into another video. So today is the day that we move out and get that new spot. If you've paid attention, I think it was either the last video or the video before that, we teased it a little bit. So today's the day we actually closed on it and we're moving everything in. So we had been at a temporary spot for a little bit. Insurance took forever. Finally got back to us, so today's the day. We're gonna take you guys along. We still gotta do a lot of renovations to that spot, to that property, but we're gonna take you through it step by step, you know, the whole way. So thanks for bearing with us over the last week. That's why we haven't dropped any content or anything like that. Yeah, stay tuned.
Out here at BMZ Wheelhouse, we got the nicest fucked up cars you'll ever see. We got a scuffed up bumper and a fucked up quarter. Oh, you gotta see my rear bumper.
So this is day 2 of renovations. Well, technically it's like our second day being in the building, first day like actually taking stuff up and starting renovations. I don't have my shirt on because it's hotter than shit out. Still trying to figure out how to turn on the water. That's still not on. We're still waiting on the power. So it's hot, it's cold in the back, it's weird. So yeah, right now, ripping up the carpets. Zach and Bryce went to go get some tires so we can start stocking back up. And then, yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up, just do like a little time lapse, and yeah, let's get to it. So that's one piece. Got that one divided into 2 sections right there. Still got everything back here. And that leads into this room. I gotta take all that out too. So once that's done, check back in with you either today or tomorrow. Just depends how far we get. So yeah, stay tuned.
We can fit 5 years.
Be like, hey, out here at BMZ, we kickflip. You wanna see it? Yes. Yeah, let's see it. Oh yeah. Landed it. Oh,
We're gonna take a basic cabin.
I want you to walk out of this room and start over. All the way down to like where the box is at. Basically where this is, from right here to right, from where you're at to here, it's the same thing. So that's like what, 5 inches, 6 inches. Drywall it, and then we're gonna just put lights on the top of it and all the way around it, so it just lights up. And then the logo will go on this wall. That'll be hard. Yeah. And then that wall will be the blue like we want it to be. Yep. Here, rats. Or we could always go out of paint all that, do all the beams blue, so we don't have to have blue on the ground, we'll have blue on the ceiling. Plus the stripe. So the white though, white gonna stay white.